Good day guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to launch your AlphaZone Expert Advisor robots on your MT4 charts. After receiving the download file from our support team, you need to unzip the folder. After you unzip the folder, just double click on the folder and enter the folder. Inside the folder you will see 4 different robot files. What you need to do is just copy all 4 robots files together. Go back to your MT4. From the menu on top left side, click on File, go to Open Data folder. In the new window open, go to the MQL4 and then find the Experts folder and go to the Experts. And then just paste all the robot files that you have copied in this folder. As you can see, I have already done that. You can see all 4 robots files here. After you pasting the files, just close the window. From your navigator menu on left side, find the Expert Advisor section. Just right click and refresh, and then click on the plus button that you see here, and then you will see that all of your robot files has been appeared here on your left side menu. Now in next step, before you apply your robots on your charts, make sure that your auto trading is on, and make sure that you choose H1 or M30 as your time frame, and then make sure also your AUDUSD is checked. For doing so, go to the tools, go to the options, and then find the Expert Advisor section, check AUDUSD, and then click on OK. After that, open your charts based on the names that we gave you on the website. We have given you 4 pairs, 4 specific pairs for AlphaZone Expert Advisor robots: AUDUSD, EUROUSD, GBPUSD, and USDJPY. Make sure you open all the charts and then choose the specific charts, AUDUSD, and then double click on AlphaZone Expert Advisors related to AUDUSD chart. After applying that, you will see that the new window will be open. Go to the inputs. In the input, this is the section that you need to apply your license key. After receiving your license keys from our support team, you need to come here and then paste your license key in this section. And then also make sure that your risk management is on low risk. You will have 2 options here that we strongly recommend to choose low risk. And then after applying your license key, and then just click on OK. I have done that already, and I will show you how the robots looks like on the chart. But now let's talk about the other robots and how to apply them on the chart. Then we go to the EUROUSD. Find the robot related to EUROUSD chart, just double click on it and the same window will be appeared. Go to the input section, apply your license key, and then also make sure that your risk management has been set on low risk, and then just click OK. You do the same process for all the other 2 pairs, and after that your robots will be activated on your charts, which I'm gonna show you how they look like on the charts when they are activated. Okay, as you can see, we have activated the AlphaZone Expert Advisor on 4 charts. To make sure that your robots are all active, check this smiley icon at the right top of your charts on all 4 pairs that you have. And that shows that your robots are all activated. You also have a small box at the left side that gives you extra information about your account, about your name, leverage, and then as you can see, other extra information on your chart. And so one important point is that do not use any other indicator, any other robots on the same account that you are using AlphaZone Expert Advisor. Once you use any other indicator or robots, your performance of AlphaZone Expert Advisor will be manipulated and then it's not going to work properly. So make sure that you keep this one in your mind. After that, after activation, you don't need to do anything else. You just wait for 12 to 24 hours and then your robots start to analyze the chart, finish the analyzing, and start to do the trades. And then if you still need more assistance, you can contact us at our live support chat on our website, or you can email us at support@charadvisor.com. Our support team will get back to you in 24 hours and will help you through the process. And then that's gonna be end of this video for today. Thank you so much guys for being with us. Love you. Goodbye.